Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. To change the straps on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones. To do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap there is a lever basically, and you need to pull this lever to release the strap from your watch. Basically it will release the strap. So you need to grab on this lever. It's quite hard to grab it because it's flush with the strap. As you can see, it's barely poking out, so it's quite hard to grab on it. But once you grab on it, pull on it, and it will release the strap and you can remove it. Let's do this from the other side. So pull on the lever and remove the strap like this. And here we have our watch without the straps and our straps. And if you get new straps, you can simply put them back on by grabbing a strap. You need to insert this side of the strap, basically the one opposite from the lever, into a hole on the watch, as you can see. So you need to insert it like that, then pull on the lever, insert the other end and release the lever, and it will snap into a hole and it should hold the strap. Oh, this one popped out, so let's realign it. Come on. Like this, and now it's holding. Okay, let's do the same for the second one. So put it in the hole right here, like that, pull on the lever, insert and release the lever, and it's gonna grab like that. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.